What is up, you guys? Thanks for watching another of my YouTube videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing like a little review. Sorry if I haven't been posting a lot, but that's just I've been working so much, and well, I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys. But in today's video, I just wanted to review some indoor lighting that I just installed yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday. And I think everybody that has a car should get it. It's only like 40 bucks at AutoZone, so it's not breaking like the bank. So with that being said, I did originally have a different set of lights. I don't know if you've seen in my other videos, but I'll show you guys what happened to the other ones, and then I'll show you these ones. I already installed them, but I'll show you the name and everything right now. So like I said, I'm running a 265/35 18 tire, and well, the fitment is almost like literally flush. I still need to get it aligned. I haven't had the chance to. That's how busy I've been. But yeah, I don't really drive this car right now, but I am rubbing a little bit up here when I take corners fast, but in the back it only rubs like in big dips, like especially on the freeway. But like if I hit like a little bump on the city or whatever, it doesn't really do anything. You can't really hear it, but in the freeway for sure. I still can't believe I got T37s. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button. I have a crazy plan for the WRX in the long run, so you guys are not going to want to miss that. Maybe, I don't know if you guys follow Bader Built. We might link up later on down the road. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Anyways, I'm going to show you right now how the other ones looked. So this was the other one. It was a Type S model as well, but it was just a different model. So what happened with these was that one of these things broke, so I basically have to buy a new whole thing. So anyways, that was that. I didn't really like this one because you have to connect the two right there that go to opposite sides of the car. And I'll show you guys the new one real quick. Also, hopefully you guys are staying safe with this COVID thing going around. This is the new one. I just it has 3M tape on this piece, and it just sticks right up there. And then like you see, these ones don't come out. They're just permanent there. The only one that comes out is the bottom piece, but that connects to your, well, it connects to like one of these, you know. So what I have done to mine is just I bought two separate, like an adapter type of thing to connect to. Yeah, so far that's about it. I'll give you guys a cold start. Like I said, I'm gonna put a picture up on the package because I think I already threw it away. And also I've been having people comment on what type of radar I use, and I'm using the, let's see, Escort 360 Max. It honestly works great, guys. What I like about this one is that it tells you which direction it's coming from. Either if it points down, it's coming from the back, or if it points up, it's coming from the front. Anyways, I'm going to open the garage, give you guys a cold start, and I'll show you the features this model has. You guys are not going to want to miss the next video. I'm going to be going an overview of all the mods I have done to it. So I'm going to be explaining how much it has costed me to get my car to this point, or how much I've spent on it. So that one's going to be a super good video for you guys, especially like if you guys want to follow my footsteps on building my CVT or my WRX. That'll be very beneficial for you guys. Anyways, let's get to this cold start. Let me just set my camera down here. So what I'm running is an ETS Extreme Catback. It's very good, no drone, guys. If you guys really want a good exhaust, make sure to hit ETS up. And to show you guys how it looks inside. So how I have it, I just have it here. Okay, so right now it's just on blue, as you guys see. And then it has like a, I don't know if you guys saw on the one I showed you, the one that broke. It has like a little button right here. You just click it, and it gives you different features. So you just get different blinking options, or you could just have it still like that. I usually like that. I don't really like it blinking and stuff, but I just thought it was a little bit cooler than the other one, because the other one didn't really have the blinking options. You can change all the colors. It has them all. I think it's a 24-inch strip too for both sides, so it covers good all around in the bottom. So if you don't have these on your car, man, I really recommend them. I think they look cool. Let's go with purple for tonight. Anyways, thank you so much for like 900 plus subscribers. I'm almost to my goal, guys. I don't even know what to say. I'm almost to 1,000, which is my goal. And dang, man, I've come such a long way, almost to hit 1,000. So I'm gonna keep going to hit it. Anyways, make sure to leave a like and comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.